Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Anker Soundcore Life Notes to the iPhone device. So in order to do this, let's open up Bluetooth on our iPhone device, enter Bluetooth settings. Here make sure that your Bluetooth is on. Now let's open the case with the earbuds, take them out. Now take both of the earbuds, hold this button for 2 seconds, let it go, and now they should be visible. Click on them, and now they are connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.